Hi, I'm your chef from MAXTOP LED. This time we attended ISU exhibition. We bring our new series rental products, Anycubic series. Now let me introduce you about these products. Follow me. First of all, I want to introduce you about this product's structure. This is the power box. Different with other designs, we add two handles here. It's easy to take out when you move to the middle side. Second is about the corner protector. It's a semi-automatic design. And let's see here, when you uninstall the screen, use your hands. It can help you to save some collection time. This cabinet has four types. First is flat. Second is curve. Third is right angle. And fourth is cubic. Now let me tell you about some details of our modules. For indoor modules, our PCB thickness is 2 mm. This can strength, it has more strength to gap bending. And then our module is not touch the cabinet directly. Here has small pillars to support it. And you see this design. No matter what type of this cabinet you use, flat, curve, or right angle or cubic, we only has one type of module. It's a general type usage. It can help you to save cost. And then let me introduce you about these cabinet details. This is the curve lock. Plus minus from 0 to 10. And this is the shading strip. The difference of this cabinet with others is that when our cabinets do cutting for right angle or cubic, we still has this shading strip and also remain the position for corner protector. This is the basic information about this cabinet. Let me tell you about others special. Follow me. This is the flatness of flat GOB and the curve. Besides of these types, we also have some special products. Some people, they like do angles van rentals, but they don't like to have a gap when they make right angles. So we have another options, such as this smooth louder corner. Another one is flexible. And then we also have other special products, such as this rounded rectangle. We have 4 direction modules, so this screen will have same color. Come have a look. This is the introduction of our Anycubic series rental product. Thanks.